Vijay, which category of the DIIs are likely to be allowed by SEBI? Is this going to be taken up at the next board meeting? By when do you think we'll be seeing all of these guys investing in the commodity markets?
Nandra, what we are gathering is that market regulator SEBI is making up its mind to ensure mutual funds of the domestic institutional as a category to begin with would be allowed to trade in the commodities market, and as you are rightly pointing out, this would be the first time. We all know options as a trading has been given in principle approved by market regulator SEBI, and that is where the indication that when options get launched in the month of January of 2017, DIIs, that is mutual funds as a category, would also be allowed. The exchanges and certain top fund houses are already in discussion with market regulator SEBI. The broader contours are being worked out. Now, interestingly, this was just the first step, because clearly SEBI chairman is on record saying that they want to take calibrated small steps when it comes to the commodities market. The synchronization has happened after the merger of FMC with SEBI. SEBI more or less is now ready with the broader framework for the commodities markets, and that is where this big reform will really give a big push to the volumes and to say the way commodities markets function in the country. Also quickly, I also should add that SEBI is also in discussion with RBI to ensure banks as the other DIIs should also be allowed to trade in commodities. The primary reason being mutual funds directly comes under SEBI's jurisdiction. That is why SEBI first wants to attempt a mutual fund, then once things settle down, banks would gradually be allowed. So clearly this would be a major reform for the commodities market, as you are rightly pointing out. MCX, which is the only traded exchange or commodity exchange in the country, is clearly reacting to this particular news. But clearly come 2017, and if I could say, it would be the equity movement for the commodities market with this big reform chipping in.
Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/etnow, and don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at etnowlive. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/user/etnow.